Guys, today in this video, I'm gonna be being wind up in Yeeps hide and seek, so enjoy. Okay, so these are really long jumps. Little trick here, instead of doing that, you can just... So when I'm recording, I don't do it first try, but when I'm not recording, I can do it first try. I just don't know, it's just a habit to have roses ready. I'm gonna probably join a public one, like a public code, after the recording's over. Okay. Okay, that was not a bad attempt. Oh my god, how did it not get into one of them? Yes, okay. Am I still recording? Okay, I'm still recording. No. I needed to stop myself, or else I was gonna kind of fall over. I see. Okay. Okay, this is going pretty well. We're almost to the end too. Yeah, they had to change that. I swear, the last time those ice, like, instead of that, like that yellow thing, it used to be the ice things that froze you, and like they moved, and you had to do it fast. But if you're not like me, and you're a big brain, that's not brittle glass. Like, is it called brittle glass or broken glass? I don't know. I see. Okay. Back to the start. I think I might keep going, honestly. And level 2. This is gonna get kinda cool. I don't know. I think I can beat it. I think it's possible. The only thing I don't understand of this level, why you die on those spikes, like, sometimes people just die. Like, for no reason. They didn't touch the spikes. Yeah. Should I do the third level? No, the third level I don't even know how to do the third level. So I think after second level, first try, I think after the second level, which is this one, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, let's go. Collector Shack. Your most expensive item in your collection, the least expensive item in your collection, the item that that people want to steal when they see your collection, the item that's not a lot of people own, the item that you always own. No, hold up. Your favorite figure in the collection, your least favorite figure in your collection, your most favorite figure in your collection, your go-to figure. Okay, that was pretty easy. Never mind, I might be cooked. I swear, if I fail on video, I'm gonna be so mad. And I made it. Was it that easy? That was really easy. Let's try to beat level 3, honestly. I get 3 tries. Then I am ending the video. seconds. Okay, so I'm still recording. Sorry guys, it's because like my memory, there's not a lot of space, I think, and sometimes I hear the noise of like the thing ending, like the video ending, so I have to check. I just don't know. These jumps are hard. I don't even know I can make this one. Oh, never mind. I can do it. I don't know about that one. Oh, that was a big clutch. Oh, yeah, there. It's so hard to see it. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm doing pretty well. I spoke too soon. Yeah, no, I don't know how to do the zipline part. That's why I did not. That's why I'm probably never gonna do the only up part 2 for level 2 and only up part 3 for level 3, because like both of those levels have a zipline part, and I don't know how to do it. Maybe when I learn how to do it, those videos will be posted. But for now, I have no hope. Okay, maybe one more try. Last try. One more try. I'm sounding like a kid that like saying, "I'm immortal, you can't kill me because I'm using Superman." If like that little kid was your younger brother and you were playing toys with them and they literally say they are immortal in the battle. That's basically me right now. I said I have 3 lives. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. See y'all next time. Bye bye.